The one on the right. It's the normal.
What do you mean the one on the right? The one that goes down? Oh, it folded down.
Yeah, it's folded down. But I drive with it that way.
Here you go, Ethan. 1925 Model T Touring. What do you think about that?
Sick.
Not how it came out of the factory, though. A little bit of customization.
Just a little bit.
I like it. I like it now. Dude, this thing is sweet, buddy.
Knock it out, Mitch. It's for sale.
Holy crap. Can you imagine me rolling to work every day in one of these? Holy.
That would be awesome.
Dude.
You just need to have a keg of beer in the back.
Bro,
You want to hear what's funny is I work in Renton right now, and my goal is to be able to drive it to work.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Maybe not daily,
Yeah.
but at least like once.
bro,
That's amazing.
Literally, I'm working on the quad, and all of a sudden I see this thing come around the corner. I'm like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, that thing is sick. And then Tom goes, I think it's my buddy. He walks out. I'm like, nope, it's my buddy.
Where it says Ford, that's 100 years old right there as of this video.
Dude.
That's crazy.
Holy crap, man. That is sweet.
It even smells 100 years old, that oil,
right?
right? Grease and everything, yeah.
I love the
Well,
red.
literally, yeah. The only
Yeah.
thing I had happen on the way up here is this started to melt against the header.
Oh, yeah.
But I mean, I could smell it, so I pulled over and I was like, oh, that's simple.
Yeah, that's
Simple
That
fix.
thing is just wild. Totally cool.
the steering. I love the whole.
It's so fucking background.
One of a kind, that's for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, feel that buzz, electric hum. Tonight's the night.